Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first step is to cleanse your face, and for that I'm gonna use the Garnier Micellar water, and I have been using this for a very long time now, and this is one of the best available in the market. So yeah, I'm going to go in with this one. I'm gonna take some cotton, not the cotton pads, nothing fancy, just some cotton, and I'm gonna remove all the sunscreen that I have. So yeah, nicely lit. And I don't have any makeup on, I just have some sunscreen on, so yeah, I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so we are done here. Okay, so the next step is to wash your face, and for that I'm going to use this simple refreshing facial wash, and this is a very gentle face wash. It doesn't strip moisture from the skin, it doesn't make your skin very dry, and this is a very good face wash. So I'm just going to wash my face, and I also do follow that 60-second rule for my face, and it just works really well for me. And I have washed my face. Let me dry. So here's my face after washing it, and now I have pat dried my face really well. So I'm going to go with my salicylic acid serum, which is really great to unclog your pores, and if you are having trouble with blackheads and whiteheads. And the product that I'm using is from the brand Well. This is their salicylic acid 2% with almond oil, and this is actually a very good salicylic acid serum. Like, I have seen whenever I get pimples and I apply this serum, like within 2 days, I guess, my pimple just vanishes. It just becomes, really dry, and it just goes off. So yeah, this is a very good serum. And I also deal with problems of, blackheads and whiteheads. So this serum has been really helpful in tackling those issues as well. So it's a really good serum. And always make sure you don't apply these actives on a damp face. Make sure your face is dry. That's why I have patted dry my face first and then applied the serum. Okay, so I'll leave it for like 2 minutes, and then I'll go on with the next step. Okay, so once it's completely dry, I'm gonna go with my next serum, which is this Puroto unscented serum, and this is an overall serum if you don't have major skin concerns, and then this is the serum you should go for. This is very hydrating. If you have dry skin, then this is the best serum, even better than hyaluronic acid. It is very hydrating. It has ceramides into it has peptides, ceramides for your skin barrier. It does have centella, which will really soothe and calm your irritated skin. It has niacinamide that gives a little bit of brightening effect, not much, but yeah. So the ingredient wise, this product is really good. It just soothes, calms your skin, and overall for your skin barrier, this is a very great serum. If your skin barrier is irritated or damaged, this is the product you should go for. And oops, see, I have used this much of the product, so I know that this product works. But if you don't have a major skin concern, then you should definitely go with this one. It will take care of the overall barrier and health of your skin. Also, don't forget your neck. I have been avoiding my neck since the longest time, and now I'm regretting it really, because I feel like I shouldn't have done that. So always make sure that you know, don't forget your neck. Okay, once I have applied the serum, you can already see how plump my skin has become, and it's a really hydrating one. Okay, after this one, I go within my favorite moisturizer, which is this cosrx snail mucin moisturizers. I have a ton of moisturizers, and I love my moisturizers. I have this one, which is really great. I have this Bioderma Autodem cream, which I have been loving lately. I do have this Claire's Midnight Blue cream, which also works perfectly well for me. So I just love my moisturizers. But this one above all. So I'm gonna just apply, you know, a good quantity of this product onto my face. Okay, so I'm done here, and now what's left? Oh yeah, my eye cream. So for my eye cream, I go on with this Beauty of Joseon Ginseng and Retinol eye cream. It has retinol in it, which is absolutely best if you have, any skin concerns relating to aging. And I do have some, fine lines, and of course I do have dark circles under my eyes, and that's why I use just one pump of this product under my eyes. And also wherever I feel like I have lines, like my smile lines here, yeah, and the rest I'll use on my neck. I don't use it all over my face because I have tried it, and I ended up breaking out, so I avoid using it all over my face, but I definitely use it under my eyes and wherever I think I have issues. So yeah, and it has retinol in it, which is absolutely good, which is a derivative of vitamin A, and vitamin A or retinol, you must have heard of these things, which is at top number one, which is at the top for anti-aging ingredient. It is a top anti-aging ingredient, and yeah, so I've been using this for like a month or two now, and I can't comment on its effectiveness yet because it will take at least 3 months for the product to work, and I do have really deep dark circles, so I need to see whether it works for me or not. But usually I apply it like twice or thrice in a week. That's it. That's all I do. Yeah, so it's done. And to lock everything in, I'm going with a moisturizer again. For that, either I'm gonna go with my moisturizer or I'm gonna apply some facial oil. It really depends on my mood. So today I'm going in with my moisturizer again, just to seal everything in, and especially for my eyes, because I have used a product with retinol and it may cause dryness, so I don't want that. Like basically I'm using a sandwich method for this retinol product. That's it. Okay, so now yeah, I'm done. So last but not the least, the last step is of course my favorite, all-time favorite, this Bonoline. Nothing works best for my lips rather than this Bonoline. I don't know why, but this stuff works way better than any lip products or lip balms available in the market. I just love this. I also use this as a pimple treatment if I have a pimple, or then I'll just put Botuline on top of it and go to sleep, and this way it takes care of my pimples as well. So this is the best stuff. So yeah, that's all. This is my nighttime skincare routine, and yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to help you all. And yeah, this is it. And see how much my skin is glowing. Okay, tada, bye bye.